So hey guys, welcome to my new vlog. My name is Ayaz Miyashik and my YouTube ID name is AS Fitbar. Yes. So in the previous vlog, I have taught you about planet Earth. Yes. Now today I will tell you inside Earth. So I hope you all are fine and healthy. आपको मेरे सारे नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस कैसे लगते हैं तो फिर कमेंट करके बताइए। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक विदाउट टाइम पास। Now today I will tell you new topic inside Earth. In the previous I have taught you planet Earth. Now inside Earth. We can't explore much of Earth. Our deepest minds only travel about 1.6 kilometers, means 1 mile into the crust. However, there are scientific ways to find out what it is like inside. Yes. Geologists are able to study rocks from all the depths within Earth's crust, but because collisions between continents push up rock that use the below the surface, forming mountains. In some areas, collisions have even unearthed vast swathes of the mantle. Volcanoes also sometimes have problems of rock. The under mantle is core, which has never been seen at the surface. However, scientists have used waves from earthquakes to work out that the core is split into two layers: a liquid outer core and a solid inner core. Yes, sorry guys. So I have tell you about inner core in the last, not previous vlog. Now I have taught you inner core. Now look guys, this is the earth, open earth. So here is our volcanoes in Hawaii. The Hawaiian islands of the mid-Pacific have been built by volcanic eruptions, the hot rock moving upwards the mantle. Yes, means in the Hawaii there is no house. In previous time, means in ancient periods there is no house in Hawaii. But now this modern time in Hawaii there are many houses, but there is one problem: volcanoes are nearby them. There is danger in Hawaii. Now I have taught you about volcanoes in Hawaii. So here is the earth. Here is the rifting. Two tectonic plates pull away from each other and new land is created between them. Now here is oceanic crust, thinner and denser than the continental crust. 5,400 means cool means 9,900 feet, the extreme temperature of Earth's inner core. Very hot. Very hot. Now layered Earth. Earth is made up of many rocky layers. The top layer is the crust. Below that, inform and slightly denser rock forms the mantle. The crust and the top of the mantle form a single ragged layer together, which is called the lithosphere. Below the lithosphere is the atomosphere. Only tiny parts of the asthenosphere are liquid, but it is soft enough to move, pushing around the plates above. Under the mantle lies in the core. The outer core is a liquid mix of iron and sulfur, while the inner core is solid iron and nickel. Yes. Now here is the subquestion. When two plates meet, one can be pushed under earth the other. Now guys, some children in third standard have learned in EVS directions and maps. In the maps they also see Pacific Oceans. This is true. And where is Pacific Ocean? They don't know, so I will tell you. This is the earth and here is the Pacific Ocean. Now lithosphere. I will tell you. The rigid outer shell made of the crust and the top layer of the mantle. Now what is the meaning of mantle? A solid layer that is earth's sticker. Outer core, molten iron and sulfur. Currents in this liquid generate Earth's magnetic field. Now what is inner core? Don't know, I've told you about in space period. Now this is Earth period, not space period, Earth period. What is the meaning of inner core in Earth? A ball of iron and nickel which is very hot but solid because of the immense pressure. Now what is the meaning of mantle plume? An upwelling within the mantle sends magma to volcanoes. Magma. Now what is the hot spot? A volcanic site above a mantle plume. Now Southern American coast here. Now crust, Earth's outer layer which is distinct from the mantle through both layers are made of rock. Here is that. Now the atomosphere. Earth's atomosphere is made up of gases which are held in place by gravity. There is no clear boundary to space. Outer space fades into space. Outer space is generally thought to begin about 100 kilometers, mean 62 miles above the surface. Atomosphere. This is the atomosphere zone. Gas molecules and escape into space from here. Now this is the Earth and here is the satellite and here is the atomosphere. Now here is the mesosphere. Here is Eura. This is 80 kilometers, means 50 miles. And this is the meometers. 500 kilometers means 30 miles. Now here is 16 kilometers means 10 miles. Now here is a aeroplane. This is the sky, sir. This is the sky. Here is the aeroplane. Here are the clouds. This is the troposphere. And this is the weather balloon. Now stratosphere, absorption of the ultraviolet sunlight adds energy to the stratosphere, so temperature increases with night height here. So here our topic ends over here. So thank you for watching. Like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Be healthy, wash your hands, sanitize your hands and eat healthy food and share, spread to everyone my knowledgeable videos. Yes, so that I will can be motivated. So bye guys, take care.